Okay, so for this video right now, we will be going to identify here we do have a problem for non-scale or multi-business wants to source bananas for its growing monthly sanctuary. So this the company has three potential suppliers, which is Montaner and Ehara, and there will be Alunan, and each supplier's other different prices, ranges, and supply reliability. However, NANScale wants to minimize the worst case scenario to ensure a steady supply at the best possible rate. So suppose that Montaner supplier A do have 5, 6, 7, 8 per kilogram. Then there is 6.57 per kilogram. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 per kilogram for alunan. So identify the minimum possible first identify the minimum possible price, the best case scenario for each supplier. So for that one, so number one, so we can definitely supplier A, supplier B, and supplier C. So the best case right there, the best case scenario will be it will be 8, it will be 7 for Ihara, and it will be 9 for Alunan. And for number 2, it will be identifying the worst case or the highest possible price. So you will need to identify here. I don't know. I'm so sorry, since we wanted to check the best case scenario. For the best case scenario is it must be ang pinaka-minimum payoff given. So it will be the minimum for that one will be 5, then 6, and 4. So that will be the answer for that one. So next, I'm sorry, let me so so for that because it was stated here the minimum possible price, so that is 564. Now let's move on to the number 2, that is highest possible price for the worst case. So the worst case right there for the A, B, and C is what I did earlier. The answer and incorrect, it will be $8 and 7 as well as 9. So for calculating the number 3, calculate the maximum, right? So for calculating the maximum price, that is absolutely deducting the in our previous discussion for our maximum, we were able to excuse me, we were able to identify here, or we need to deduct the minimum guaranteed payoff to your worst case. So your minimum will be 5 minus 8 for A. That is let me for that one, 5 minus 8. So certainly the answer for your it will be negative 3 for the A. What about for B? It will be 6 minus 7. It will be negative 1. So what about for C? It is 4 minus 9. It will be negative 5, diba? That's how you will deal with this right now. So for the 4, based on the maximum decision rule, which supplier should then tell maximum decision should explain your answer. For this one right now, since for our result, -3 and -1, -5. So therefore, we can choose -1 because we are maximizing the minimum possible payoff right now. So -1 is better since this is highest, this is higher. So -1 is better approach. So that's the answer for this one. Thank you so much.